Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Toyota Prius. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have the correct new engine oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug gasket. Finally, safely lift your Prius and secure it on jack stands on a level surface for easy access. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, typically found on the lowest part of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath to ensure you catch all the used oil. With your pan in place, carefully remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old engine oil to completely drain out before proceeding. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. While you're getting your hands dirty, make sure your feet are comfortable. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously the best. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. You can find the link for darn tough socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket for a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it about 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Finally, add the specified amount of new engine oil through the filler cap.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.